Hello friends, in this video we will learn some basic commands and these commands will be very helpful for the beginners as well as the experienced working professionals or Linux system administrators. This is very important commands for them. So let's start the video. And friends, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe the channel and don't forget to like, share and comment. So let's start the video. So first, this is a Linux server I have installed. So to check the Linux version or OS version, we have to use the command cat/etc red hat release. Here you can see using this command we can see the installed OS version. This is a RHL 9 or Red Hat Linux line I have installed here. So first command I have shown you how to check the OS version. Now let's go to the second command. In second command we will check how to check the processor information. That means how much processor added to this server. So command will be cat/probe CPU info. Please remember cat/probe/CPU info. So here move up. Now you can see this is the processor 0. Then go to next. This is processor 1 and this is the end of the command. So what we observe? We have observed here that in this server I have added two processor only and other informations are also available. You can go through them. So basically to check how much CPU configured in the server, we have to use the command cat/probe/CPU info. Okay. Then next, how to check the memory information. To check the memory information, the command will be cat/probe/meminfo. MEMINFO, meminfo. Here you can see many more informations are coming related to the memory. You can see this is the total memory, this is the free memory, and this is the available memory. These information are available here, but it is little bit confusing and difficult to know how much memory I have added or configured and how much utilized and how much free. So another command is also there. You can use that meminfo. Sorry, free minus h. You can see command is free minus h. Here you can see I have configured total 1.7 GB, used 584 MB and free 724 MB. So please understand, free is the command using which we can check the memory information and minus h for the human readable format. That means here it is showing in the GB format. If I use only free, you can see same information coming as the CPU info. So sorry, memory info. So to check in human readable format, we have to use the option -h. Okay. So this is the command to check the memory information in the Linux server. So let's move to the next command. How to check the CPU utilization. Okay. Using top command, we can check the CPU utilization. Command will be top. You can see this is the CPU information. How much CPU utilizing? Here it is showing. Okay, this is a test server and basically there is no load in this server. That's why information is not coming and information CPU utilization is very less. So using top command you can check the CPU utilization. Okay, press Q here to quit from this top command. Next move to the command how to check the disk information. So hard disk information, to check the hard disk information we have to use the command fdisk minus l, fdisk minus l. Here you can see this is all information related to the hard disk. You can see I have added two hard disks here. Okay, this is LVM Linux type. If you want to know what is Linux LVM and how to work with LVM, please go to my playlist and check. There is a video already I have uploaded about the LVM. So using fdisk minus l command you can check the hard disk related information. So now check the partition related information. That means the Linux, the partitions are called as file system. To check the file system information, now we will check the command df minus h. Using this command, you can check the partition information. In previous command fdisk minus l, we have checked the disk information. Now we are checking the partition or file system related information. You can see these are the file system available or configured in the server. So if you want to check the file system type, you have to use df hyphen capital th, means type. You can see these partitions are having the type xfs. Okay, there are two type of partitions we can configure in Linux. One is xfs and another is ext4. Please go to my playlist and check that. I have already uploaded this related videos. What is xfs, what is ext4. So here in the server, partitions are in xfs format. Also please remember, whenever we are configuring lvm and we are expanding a partition or increasing a partition space, if the partition in xfs format, we cannot roll back. Okay, this is the limitation of the xfs partition type. Okay, so friends, these are the basic commands related to the server, and this is very helpful to the users who are working in Linux server. So please subscribe my channel if you are new to my channel, and also share among your friends, and also don't forget to like, share and comment. Thank you.